Welcome to the fart sound effects tier list, where the gas is loud, the ranks are ruthless, and no toot is safe. Let's rank the rips. Brain fart meme sound effect. Okay, that goes in funny. Dramatic fart sound effect. Okay, that can also go in funny. Extreme fart rip. What's it laughing? Oh, I can't lie, that was pretty mid. Fart sound effect, brackets juicy. So like Alien vs Predator. That's gross. Nice and simple. Fart sound effect. Definition of mid. Human fart, free sound effect. That's short and sweet. Long fart sound effect. Oh my god. Oh my god. That sounds painful. Purely based off the fact there's about 1,000 different farts, so we're going to put that one in stinking. Long wet fart sound effect. Nah. Gross. Normal fart sound effect. That's pretty funny. Quick rebirth fart sound effect HD. Okay, that can go in funny. Relaxing diarrhea sound effect. Okay, let's go. Wet sound effects, diarrhea farts. Oh, that's grim. That's grim. That's disgusting. And then wet fart sound effects. That's pretty mid. There you go. The winner is relaxing diarrhea sound. I hope you enjoyed.